if you're watching this, you can see that we've completed a 125.6 risk to reward sell setup here on the Doge USDT, and you can see live on our Bybit chart that same has happened there to show executions. Now how do we take the short from right here all the way to this areas with such precision? Okay, so I'm going to delete this and I'm going to take you back in time to understand the executions. Here we have this right here. Okay, so now we can see that the price is formed in this area in this movement. So I came to my chart and I saw this kind of setup, and the indicator told me right here that there's a weak mean reversion. Okay, weak mean reversion, and price is bouncing up from support levels, right? That's what we have here, literally bouncing up from support levels here. All this movement, price rising to resistance, look to sell there. Right now, look at this is a bit deep here, and the most important one, don't chase the bounce, sell the peak. Now look to sell there. So I got thinking, right, so I have to monitor this and know exactly when to sell. Now look at this. If the price is going to sell here, especially all the way to this downside, we need extreme mean reversion on all three scales. That's the 50, the 100, on the last 300 bars. We need to see an extreme mean reversion, and that would be the yellow color. All right, so I had to wait for my setup to play out. I moved forward. I was looking for extreme mean reversion, right? And price kept giving moderate mean reversion, so I was certain that it's gonna drop, it's gonna sit. Now look at this, the price pushed up right here. We had a statistically significant strong mean reversion, showing that the price is gonna push down, right? Okay, first indication, this is like a 78% retracement on the 1 minute time frame. So we moved forward a little bit more, and it became extreme on the last 50 bars. Now at this point in price is not showing a significant mean reversion. Okay, price is not showing a statistically significant mean reversion across the 3 time scales. So I'm convinced that the price is not going to get here. So we're going to target 50% or 61% at the most price, all right, here around those levels. Okay, so that is where we're going to target. So I'll take a short from right here on the next pullback that price makes. On here we have the next pullback where price may then adjust the stop loss right to this high, sell the peak. Now price is dropping to support. You can see here price is dropping to support. So the best or the next best support level for this price is not this low. We already know because it's not an extreme case. Okay, the next best support level for this price is the 61% case. All right, so that's what we expect from the price, and here is what the price did after that.